Sección 29, sección 30, cuento de la cena misteriosa, legendario.
The mystery dinner. Bee and Eddie are in Bee's apartment. There are papers and clue cards everywhere.
I am hosting a new dinner. It's a mystery. Everyone has a role. You can be an actor, an artist, or a king.
What does a king do in a mystery?
That is the mystery. You need to read your card. You can't talk to anyone about your secrets. No gossip.
Can I bring pizza?
No, that's not part of the plot, Eddie. We only eat soup when the queen says a magic word.
Later, people gather for the dinner. No one understands the clues.
B, everyone looks confused. Even I'm lost.
But I wrote a brilliant story. They have to guess who ate the magic banana.
I don't remember who I am. Am I the spider?
No, you are the cousin.
The guests give up. They talk about leaving early.
Next door, I am doing my own dinner for my softball team. It's called Who Stole the Pizza? First one who finds the pizza wins.
Eddie's dinner is loud and fun. People are laughing and cheering.
Well, that's surprising. Everyone loves your mystery, Eddie.
Sometimes the easiest story is the best. And you can eat pizza.